Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see how the features are, and the drawing is this one. The name of the part is Centering and Fixing Ring. If you think this is easy to create, you have here all dimensions, also photo presentation, so you can try for yourself to model the part. We start to create the body of the ring with dimensions. From here you see them all, so we can start. New standard millimeters IPT, plane, XY plane. We draw a vertical line of 19. This is the center line. And we continue with a contour, as you can see, and close. Then we apply some dimensions. This is 2, and this is also 2 millimeters. This is 24, not 24, 2.4. This line must contain the upper end of the axis, and the other the lower end. Diameters are 70, 68, 62.2. And we have a fully constrained sketch. Revolve, and the ring is created. We continue with creating these cuts. 8.2 and 6 are the dimensions. We use this face for a new sketch, X to the right. Then we draw a vertical line, a diameter, but let's see if it is coincident with this point. It is not, of course. I place it in the center and construction. Then I draw another line, this one, also coincident with the center, also construction with the angle of 30. Oh, just 30. Okay. I place it up outside. Now I use a rectangle in 3 points. This is one, I hover here to obtain the parallel, and I go to the right with the value of 8.2 minus 6 divided by 2. This distance is 3. 6 divided by 2. Good. I apply mirror, selecting this rectangle about this line. Apply. One dimension needed. What is that dimension? That dimension is coincidence between this line and this point. Minimum dimensions placed here. Finish sketch. Now let's see what is the depth. The depth is 6. You see? Good. Extrude 1, 2 with cut on 6. Okay. Now we cut this extended ring. Very simple. We select this face, we project this circle, finish sketch, then we apply extrude of this contour with cut to the end, to this face. Okay. Now we have to create this feature. You see here dimensions. This curved end, 13.2, radius 2.2. The thickness is from the part. Take care, this line must be parallel with this and to contain this point. We create a mid-plane, as you can see, between this tiny face and the other one, because we have to create a sketch. F7, I project this line, and I connect these 2 points. Then I draw a line from here up. I keep pressed the left button of the mouse and I go somewhere. Restart. Another line going on this horizontal and somewhere. The 2 points are coincident, the 2 centers. I draw this line and I ask for containing this point. Now we have 2 dimensions to place here. Radius 2.2, and the distance from this base to up of 13.2. Finish sketch. Now you see this is 13.2 minus 7.5, my friends. Only this is what we create now. No problem. Double click here and we add minus 7.5. Yes. I hide this plane and I apply revolve of this contour, which is already selected, and the axis. Inventor waits for me because of this blue line, so I go here and I select the axis Y, but I go to this face. I cannot create symmetrical revolve, so I apply plus and I have this contour at my disposal. Select axis. The axis is also Y, and the rotation is in the other direction, not cut but join, and to what? To this face. I have to apply face. What is the face? This is the face. Okay. This is the feature number 1. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4 features as well. We mirror about this plane the last feature, then both of them on the other plane, using the other plane. Good. Mirror the two revolutions and the cut. You see all these features, not the work plane, not the sketch, about this plane. Okay. Then again mirror of this all entities features about the other plane, this plane. Okay. Now we have to add these features, you see, with dimensions 10.2 is the width, and the profile is here 1, 1, 1 and 7.5. Let's create this profile. We use again this plane, F7, and we draw some lines. Vertical and we connect this to last points. Dimensions 1 millimeter, 1 again, and also 1. Then I project this line because I want to place this line at the same level. One dimension is this 7.5. This is not necessary, and finish sketch. Now we create a new plane based on this one at a distance of 10.2 divided by 2. The other direction I want, so I place home minus. Okay. Then revolve. Revolve. This area is the only closed area. Inventor recognizes it and waits for an axis. The axis is Y. But not all around 360, but to the plane. Yes? Okay. Now I hide this plane. Visibility. And I mirror this last feature about the midplane. This is the midplane. Okay. Good. Next operation is to apply mirror. Mirror for this both entities, features about this plane. Okay. You see the first result. Then again mirror of the last and before last about the plane XY. Okay. Now these wings, 1, 2 wings, they are placed at a distance of 5.3 from this face, and the thickness is 1. Let's create the plane for the sketch. Plane, down, minus 5.3. In this plane we draw that wings. I hide this plane and F7. Now we draw lines. Now I project this arc and this arc. F7, I have these two arcs, yes? Then I draw the first contour. As you can see, press the left button of the mouse and go back here. Then both parallel and tangent. Tangent is not here. We apply tangency, as you can see, and we also trim a non-necessary extension. The radius is 8.9. We draw a line between these 2 points to have a base for an angle. Construction is this, and 55 is the angle. 55, almost 55. Then there is a radius here, 44. Both wings have these circles on the on this arc. 26 is the dimension and 44 is the other. Oh, I didn't place this on the center point. As always, we have to do this. Then 44 is the distance between these 2 points. 44. The other similar construction is starting from here. Press the left button of the mouse and go somewhere here. Then on this arc, I make them parallel. I apply tangency. I apply the angle of 5 degrees here. The radius taken from here, because they are equal, the distance of 44. I copy this, and there is another dimension, 12.4. 12.4 from this line, 12.4. I don't know if this is in contact. Yes, it is. Then finish and extrude these two with cut up the other direction. I also select these two areas, plus the same sketch but different areas are for the 1 millimeter thickness, not through all, but 1. Okay, very nice. Now we apply these holes, radius 4.5, to both wings. I select this plane, I project the other plane and hole in this point and this point of 4.5 multiplied by 2. Okay, now I select this face with X to the right and I create an arc with the center. This is the center and this is that arc. The radius is 6.4. I draw two lines, two radial lines. This is the first, this is the second. The angle is 60 as in the drawing, and I place on the same vertical this point with the midpoint. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude this area with cut through all. Okay, I multiply this as a circular pattern, the last feature about this this axis, not 6 but 3 instances, and we have the result. The same for the other wing. Again, X to the right, again arc with a center, with the connection to the center, with the radius of 6.4, angle of 60, the same vertical of this point with the midpoint, fully constrained sketch, extrude this with cut through all. Okay, circular pattern of the last feature about this axis 3 times, not 6. You see, these are horizontal, yes, they are not placed around the circle with other placement. Okay, I suppose I finished the part. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. There is a small difference at the third rank, so that we use this dimension instead of the previous one, because this is what we did here. As usual, maybe something is as modified, but these are sure okay. Material is the steel carbon, and the view is default lights. Let's compare the two. Oh, this is different, yes? You see? Let's see where is the problem. This is here, this sketch. Double click here, 13.2 minus 7.5. Let's see what is in the drawing. 13.2 minus 7.5. Oh, but I have to add 1 millimeter here, and then the subtraction. Oh, this is my fault, my friends. 13.2 plus 1 minus 7.5, and this will become taller. Finish sketch and comparison. I have to apply F6. Now you see they are absolutely identical. Let's see again what is the volume. Physical update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. If you take a look back, you see that this is the original result, so we keep it, as well as we changed the model. Good. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.